them gates up, you. They're rapid, them now.
I don't think it's a good idea coming here in this.
Right.
Drop this off and take the other one. Go on, chop.
Going in there, we're
so noisy. You can take the RS3 back later.
Yeah.
Leave the RS4 here because the RS4 is a bit yobbish for this area, isn't it? Because it's dead posh round here.
It is posh round here now, yeah. You have changed, mate.
And people said, do a guided tour of your house. So
here it is. Hey, it comes to something when you have to do a guided tour around your house in a car. I told you, like, your 250 acre mansion.
So that's the view I like. Nothing. Because I don't like looking at anyone. And there's the M3.
I told you, that's why he doesn't do social media, because he doesn't like speaking to people.
And that's the guided tour. So if you want any more, forget it. Welcome back to Evil GT. Welcome back to me, I'm Lee. Welcome back to Ben. He's Ben. Welcome back to the RS4. This is the RS4. And we are off to Triple R Composites.
We are.
What did he do?
Well, another guy, there's quite a lot of guys now on Instagram that will send us stuff. Don't stop doing that, by the way. Thank you very much, because there's loads of stuff we missed. But the Triple R Composites had advertised on their story that they've made a splitter for the B7 RS4, and they were looking for people, they were looking for models. Well, what better model than this B7?
This?
Oh yeah, definitely not us. So I spoke to the guys at Triple R Composites, proper nice lad that I spoke to, Ollie. He's like, yeah mate, definitely come down, we'll fit one on your car, we'll show you everything else that we do here as well. I'll give you another splitter for the Avant, the track car.
Which we need.
Which we definitely need. So we're on our way down there now to go and see the lads.
So it's about just under 2 hours away. 10:43 arrival. Maybe in about half an hour we're going to stop for some food.
You watch me crash now.
So, hour 42 to go, and we've not made it past, what is it? Stafford Services.
No, I saw a sign for Costa and was like, right, I need a brew.
But don't worry, we ain't going in Mackey's, because we don't do Mackey's anymore.
No, I've had my white food this morning. Hey, do you know which one I had?
What?
I had the apple and cinnamon white. We're not even getting paid for this plug, by the way, but I had an apple and cinnamon white food this morning, which I thought was going to be a bit grim.
Yeah.
Do you know what it tastes like? You know the apple pies at Mackey's?
Yeah.
Fit. It was really nice, yeah.
So, Y Foods, you've not paid us for that, but feel free to give us a little tip in the next
bars.
video.
We want them bars.
Give us some
of them
bars.
bar things.
There you go. Slight problem. I've left my phone in the car.
Oh, there's a shock. You leave it to me, mate.
I'm just waiting to get sponsored off Costa, because we always go Costa.
We always go Costa, yeah, because you have dicky bowels. So we have to get you decaf, and Starbucks don't do decaf tea.
Oh no, they don't. So note to Starbucks, do it. I've just realised.
What?
I did actually have my phone in my pocket. So we've had no choice. 25 miles to go. We've just missed the turn off for the Shell, so we've had to come to the services. It is BP, but we're going to have our pants pulled down on the price. Let's have a look, see how much it is. £1.60. £1.
Should we have a laugh and
That's
see how
regular unleaded as well.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
See how much the Super is.
How much is it?
It doesn't say. You know when stuff doesn't have a price on? It usually means you can't afford it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
£1.71.
Oh dear.
So for anyone who's interested, at £1.70 a litre for 97, it's given us another 75 miles for 20 quid. What was that? Just under 12 litres, was it? 11 point something litres.
Told you should have got an electric. They're dead good. So we're nearly here, and this is something you don't see that very often, do you?
No,
A police van on a bridge.
Have that fucking belly. It still blows my mind after 18 months of doing YouTube how we've both got no points at all on our licence.
Oh, don't. Why has he said that? Apparently. It's here on the left. Is that it? That's it down there.
Triple R Composites.
Yeah, I remember the sign on the website. Before we do it, introduce us to everybody.
Oh, you've done that on purpose now because of the names thing. We meet that many people. I remember Ollie.
Yes, Ollie.
Give us a shout at the top there.
George up
Ollie.
there.
Dave.
Dave. Oh, everyone can remember Dave.
Everyone's got a Dave, haven't they?
Yeah, of course I know him, sir.
And then you say your brother Kev, he's the one who does the proper graft. He's the
Business
one who,
partner Kev, he's does the proper graft.
Yeah, he does the proper graft.
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
the one who actually makes everything.
He makes some bits, yeah.
Some bits.
And then you got my brother around there, he does the polishing of the product to make them look nice.
He's the really quiet one, isn't he? That's hiding round the corner.
One,
yeah.
Playing behind the
That's
game.
right. We'll go and chase him round the camera in a minute.
There you go. Doesn't want to be on camera. Oh, you do want to be on camera. There you go.
So what I was expecting to begin with was something that was actually quite flimsy. You know, if you hold it one side and then it like bends down or whatever.
Okay, yeah.
But it's proper. It's like really thick. You can see the quality of it there. Obviously, it's made out of fiberglass. Look at the thickness of that there. Loads of layers. Hey, my dad would be proud. He used to be a fiberglasser, you know.
Well, yeah. I like this lift.
Hey, that's good, that,
One
isn't
of
it?
these from the garage. The only thing is, the garage isn't that high, is it? So
No.
might be a bit of an issue.
You'd struggle up there,
And
yeah.
then we can do our own jobs. We get one of these lifts.
We tried that though, and we cock it up every time.
Are we going into existing holes?
Oh yeah, I forgot about this actually. You know.
No existing
There's no under tray, but if it's
The under tray's not an issue.
don't worry.
So yeah, no
But then-
existing holes. You sort of drill them on the car, line it up, hold it in place.
Well,
So
I'm sure you guys can do it. So much for you doing it.
Oh, I'm not doing it. No.
This is one of the easier jobs, surely. So should it have something? Should ours have something there?
Yeah,
Is there something missing?
Yeah, you're meant to have a strip there,
trimming,
which will
yeah.
come off of that bit. But it is strong enough for just these fixing.
That's what they do. The B7, they're that good. They actually start shedding weight as they get older. You know, to help with fuel economy and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're really tough to do barbecue.
Wicked.
So drop it down. I want to change the gel badge anyway for now, and then I'm going to send you away with the two other colours, and then you can just stick with them. Or leave it still.
That is definitely, and just because of how this is, we've not been able to put any in the
No.
middle, have we?
No.
But
So that's-
still,
that's
like that
missing on
is,
our car.
yeah.
But that's
So there
still
should be an
strong.
extra two, but you can't because of
I mean, you can tell.
this is knackered.
You
It
can
ain't-
tell how strong that is.
It's going nowhere, is it?
We're definitely gonna have to wash this now. On the way home.
Yes.
Yeah?
Why? It's just going to look like that again. Oh, so this is to match the actual wrap.
Wow.
Nice.
That does actually.
Looks
match.
way better straight away. So for the B7, do you do other bits, or is it just the front splitter for now?
With cars like this, we rather just start with the front splitter.
Yeah.
And if it takes off, if it's a popular one, then we'll definitely get it back in.
Just before we go any further, how much for this splitter?
Yep. That is.
Hey,
Anyone?
That depends on your
Anyone?
discount. It's around £130 for this front splitter.
Okay.
So if people need to check, go and check on the website. Yeah. But there's not many of our people have got these cars anyway, have they? So they're
No.
going to be looking for other stuff, and there's all kinds of stuff on there. So go and check it out.
Around £130 for this front splitter, and it's solid and it's the best one out there. So
Yeah, well, that's definitely a solid splitter. One thing our viewers always love is like 90% off.
At least.
90% off.
Yeah.
With
The price has
setup
just
for
gone up to
seven-
£2,000.
But check the description. We
Yeah.
might- after this conversation, we might have you a little bit of a discount.
Fingers
yeah?
crossed, we'll work
Yeah,
on it for you.
We'll do our best.
Cool.
We've got an extra bit.
We have got an extra bit. They very kindly said, obviously the RS4 Avant isn't roadworthy, is it? We can't put on the road.
No.
It's got bucket seats in and all that kind of stuff. But here's another one, like a Blue Peter thing.
And if there's a car we need aero for,
It will be that one.
it's this one. So we were
So this
saying,
is the fixing kit.
yeah,
So we're seeing that it's like a 10-15 minute job. So when you have a crack at it, if it takes you any longer than 15 minutes, we know that you're not
I've
very
seen
good.
it done, so we should be able to do it.
There you go.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you very much.
The only problem is how we're going to fit it in the car.
That'll go in
That
there,
seats
mate.
down, yeah. If I had a car that is not on your website, you can still get in touch.
Yep.
And if you can get like a group of maybe 10 people that want the same part, you can do it.
Yeah, if there's enough interest in it, then we'll consider doing it. It's a case of us scanning the car.
Yeah, we get them down here, get it scanned,
Yeah.
get kit developed, and then
Okay.
All right there. Oh,
We done it.
Fixed
You
it.
the boot. What was wrong with it?
I don't know, but I fixed it. It fixed itself, that car. I told
Well
you that.
done. Well done.
I think what I'd done is I'd turned the barrel to like halfway, so then it stops the latch on the boot from working. But now
Stick to photocoppers and printers.
I will, mate.
What have you got in your little...
So you've got some head wax there, makes your head shiny.
Yeah.
No, that's for the splitter, some splitter wax. Yeah. And then all these details there. So your personal number's not on here, no?
Not on that one.
What we'll do is we'll put that in the description for everyone so you can my Rolly. And then some air fresheners, thank you very much.
I need that for the C63.
You do need that for the C60. Oh, there's quite a few in here. No, you're not having any more.
You won't be able to use discount on them.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're about £100 an air freshener.
£100 each?
Yeah.
Jesus, you do need Evil GT 95, don't you?
So thanks to the guys, Triple R, website link is down below. Go and have a look. Give them some love. And before we go,
What?
is that a new coat?
It is a new coat.
Turn around.
What's on it?
Oh mate, it's all busted up. You got
Is
paint
it?
on it?
It's not paint. What is it? Is there something on it?
Yeah, it's all dirty. Look, you not see?
No, I can't see.
Look,
Where?
you should stop wearing your £800 coats in garages. Come on, let's go.